Dear friends, welcome to my channel Education and Career Success. Dear friends, welcome to my channel Education and Career Success. Today we are going to talk about time management tips for students. Time management skills are very important for students. As students enter higher education, they have to deal with so many academic activities like classwork, homework, assignment, project works, workshops, seminars, conferences, publications, academic activities on the one side, job competition on the other side create a sense of anxiety and stress among the students. In order to deal with stress and anxiety, students need to learn how to manage their time effectively. In this video, we are going to talk about essential time management tips for students. Now, let's see one by one. Number 1. Set your goal. As we stated previously, goal setting is the key to effective time management. Just think about it. If you don't have any goal, you don't know what to do with your time, you don't know what to do with your skill, you don't know what to do with your talent, you don't know what's your direction, you don't know where is your destination, you don't have any clarity what to do in your life. You become the lazy and aimless person. Remember, an empty mind is a devil workshop. When you have a specific goal, you can devote your time and energy to achieve that goal. So, decide what you want to achieve in your professional life, what you want to achieve in your personal life. Set your goal accordingly. Set at least 3 goals in your life. Goals related to your health and habits, goals related to your family, and goals related to your education and profession. According to research done in Harvard University, there is a direct relation between performance and goal setting. People who set their goals are more successful than the people who don't set their goals. People who write down their goals accomplish better than people who don't write their goals. So once you decide your goal, write down your goal in a paper. Write down your long-term goals, short-term goals, and even your day-to-day goals in order of priority. Then make a strong commitment to achieve that goal. Number 2. Wake up early in the morning. Study says that our morning routine decides your success. The world's most successful people are the ones who wake up early in the morning. Studies tell that people who have a habit of wake up early in the morning have better concentration, better brain function, and higher level of critical thinking skills. But wake up early is really a tough job for many students. So, train your mind to wake up early by following these tips. The most important step to wake up early is sleep early. The second trick is set your alarm 15 minutes earlier than your regular wake up time. Say for example, today you set alarm 7 o'clock. Tomorrow make it from 7 to 6:45 itself. Day after tomorrow from 6:45 to 6:30, and then 6:30 to 6:15, and then 6:15 to 6 o'clock. In this way, gradually count down your wake up time from 7 o'clock to 5 o'clock. After some days, you automatically get used to the rhythm of early wake up. Now let's see one more idea to wake up early. Every day before going to bed, consciously tell your mind the strong reason to wake up early. Once you submit a strong suggestion to your mind, your subconscious mind will take that suggestion and work like an internal clock, give signal to your brain. When you have a strong intention, automatically you can wake up without any kind of alarm. So first of all, before going to sleep, you should create a reason why should you wake up early. When the reason is strong, the degree of excitement is also strong, and your sense of wake up achievement also strong. Your reason may be exam preparation, or project completion, or assignment submission, or doing exercise, or meditation, or anything. So dear friends, every day before going to bed, tell yourself the strong reason to wake up early. Have you ever noticed, whenever you have an excitement, whenever you feel compulsion, you wake up early without any kind of alarm. Say for example, if you want to catch up train at 4 o'clock, you would wake up without any kind of alarm. So, when the reason is strong, your wakefulness also becomes strong. Similarly, when there is no reason, there is no excitement. There is no need to wake up. Say for example, when you know tomorrow is a holiday, you sleep longer than before because there is no reason to wake up. So, be clear about what you want to do when you wake up. So, when you can maintain biological clock within yourself. Dear friends, if you really want to wake up early in the morning, every day you should create one strong reason to yourself. That reason decide your morning routine. Number 3. Use 90 by 20 focus formula. What is 90 by 20 rule? This 90 by 20 focus formula is very simple. Actually, this 90 by 20 rule is a research done by Harvard University on human psychology and human behavior. Studies have shown that your brain cannot maintain focus on any task more than 90 minutes. If you work continuously without any break, your brain will lose focus. Your mind is distracted. Your energy levels will drop down. So, your brain requires some break to restore and rebuild its energy levels. In 90 by 20 minute formula, we work deeply for 90 minutes and take 20 minutes break. Again 90 minutes deep work and 20 minutes break. So the main point is, after every 90 minutes deep work, you have to give some break to your brain for refreshment. During this 90 minutes, you have to study very deeply. You have to stay away from all the digital distractions, friends, complaints, gossip, arguments, and stay completely focused. During the last 20 minutes, you can relax completely. In this relaxation period, you can recall all the study information. Please make sure recalling is different from reading. During this relaxation period, your brain again rebuilds its energy and prepare you for another 90 minutes deep work. This method of breaking down your study schedule by 90 by 20 keep you to stay focused on studies without any stress. Now let's review the key points. Set your goal to manage your time. Set at least 3 goals in your life. Goals related to your health and habits. Goals related to your personal life and goals related to your education and profession. Train your mind to wake up early in the morning. Use clock method and auto suggestion method to wake up early. Use 90 by 20 focus formula to maintain deep focus on your studies. Thank you for watching. Happy learning.